My name is Erin Westgate. I am the owner of Songbird Coffee and Tea House, and I've been open for almost 5 years. In July, it'll mark 5 years. I really enjoy coffee and tea, and I kind of just was at a point where I was unhappy in my job and needed to evaluate what made me happy. And I liked being behind the counter and getting to talk with people and to nerd out a little bit on making them the best beverage possible. Crazy. It's just the influx of development and just more small businesses opening up. But yeah, when we opened up, Roosevelt Point wasn't even here. There was just a lot more empty lots, empty buildings. So it's changed quite a bit. We make a big effort to get to know our customers and be a part of the community, being a part of the Arts District. You know, we didn't just choose Roosevelt Row because it looked good on the map. We chose it because we wanted to be able to give back to the arts. Probably now would be college students. Though we've really got a fantastic diversity. It's definitely not just one age group or one subset. We've got a good spread. Well, we'd like to have more space to do our own roasting. I'd like to grow.